We got 2 packages that I assume are from Makeship. We'll start with the small one first. So the first one, we have Piplup. I'm just kidding, it's not Piplup. It's Puffkin from Garden of the Sea. As you can see on the tag. Also, I apologize if you hear a fan because it is really warm. But we have Puffkin from Guardian of the Sea. This plush is pretty small, but very soft. The eyes are embroidered, as well as the little rim around its beak. You see the little rim around its neck. Don't know what you call that. It's something. But overall, really soft plush. Oh yeah, didn't notice that. Got some embroidery on his fins. And only 205 are made. Not many people apparently wanted this plush made. Really sad. Now, let's get to the big one. Oh, they added the... Oh! We have the VRCat cat. This guy's pretty big in the head. Look at this guy. Obviously, this cat is from VRCat, and 2,557 were made. A lot of people wanted this guy. As you can see, his head's a little wobbly. Not too wobbly, but wobbly enough to bop to whatever song you're playing. On the back has the VRCat logo embroidered. Also got some embroidery on the ears. And of course its face, like its eyes and mouth and nose are embroidered really nicely. And its little TV is permanently stuck to him, so you cannot remove it, which is perfectly okay. And it's got a little tail. This was like last year, and it took a while for it to ship out. It was like, I want to say late last year maybe, or maybe early this year, I can't remember. But here's the tag. That's what I was trying to show you. I'm gonna check the bag and see if there's anything I'm missing. Nope. What about for Puffkin? Nope. So that's Puffkin and VRCat. Try to say that 5 times fast. Thank you so much for watching. I will be doing, of course, more unboxings in the future because more Makeship plushes are to come. And also, his head's really squishy. Bop it. I'll stop being goofy. For now. Stay tuned for Necessary Nonsense. Yours truly, Gaming Chili Hedgehog. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.